Welcome back, guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing my Nerf guns. This is my hypeafire. Wouldn't recommend getting them. They're expensive and they're not that good. They're always jam. Watch. Obviously it doesn't jam when I want it to jam. I did make a video before this that did jam, but then yeah. Then I've got my pistol, one of my favourite pistols. You need it. That I accidentally got some. I had a cheese and bacon roll. This is my first Nerf gun, so I had a cheese and bacon roll, and there's a bit of bacon in there. And then I've got the strong gun, just a catch. And I got my zombie strike. Quite good. I've got Nerf ball, Nerf 3 perfect ball, bullets, mags, cups. That will be in them. That all them will be in. And my favourite gun, I'll show you. Is this one. Like that how you go. Very fun. So yeah, just make sure you smash that like button and turn on notifications so you can see my dog reveal. And a quick shout out to Jared, Chadwick, Jack Easter, and no one else. I had it written down in my hand. So yeah, I'd like you guys to smash that like button, turn on notifications, and subscribe. I will have lots of videos up already. As you can see, there's Ushi House, Trick Shot 2, Trick Shot 3, Trick Shot 3, Trick Shot, I had Fidget Spinner 1 and 2, and a couple more, but let's get the Rebels. Met my friend Michael playing Rebels. Sorry about how it's so wobbly, so it was like this bit, so sorry about that. So yeah, and also I'd like to show you my marble. I might show you my marble run. It's on the floor on there, but it's not very good. Sorry about the lighting. It's not very bright in there. So yeah, that might be in a future video if I don't get caught by my mama. Nah, just joking. I like to do this. So yeah, I love doing videos for you guys. You are my pros, and yeah, I'm just watching TV. I'm not going to school today. I've got this interview at my high school. So yeah, also try and get into high school because I'm in year 6. So yeah, love you guys out there. So subscribe and turn on notifications, and make sure you dab on them haters. Yeah.